In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the application has failed to start because its side-by-side configuration is incorrect. So let's get started. So this could happen to any applications on your Windows, but most specifically this could happen in Google Chrome. So like in my case, I have just encountered this with Google Chrome. So what you can do is go to the Windows search bar, type appwiz.cpl. Click on appwiz.cpl under the best match control panel item. Here you have to look for the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. So I have this installed in my Windows. What you can do is simply make a right click, select change, and then select on the repair button and wait for this. Okay, so you have to do this for each and every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package that you have installed into your Windows. Just simply repair that. Okay, so once done, you just have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful videos and tutorials for you. Next method again, and go ahead in the Windows search bar, type appwiz.cpl. Click on it under the best match. Search for Chrome. Once you find Google Chrome, right click, select uninstall. Click on yes. Now once uninstalled, we need to open another browser, which is Microsoft Edge. So type Edge in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Maximize it. Simply type in the address bar in the search bar Chrome download. Hit enter. You'll find this in the first option from www.google.com. Click on that. Click on download Chrome. Now the setup file will be downloaded. Double click on the file. Close the Edge browser. And you just need to wait for Google Chrome to be installed into your Windows. Once this is installed, you can simply sign in into your Chrome account or Chrome browser, and that will fix the issue for you. So that's it. Again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.